Hey everyone! Ever dreamt of being your own boss, building an online empire, and raking in the dough? Maybe you've seen all the hype surrounding dropshipping and Spocket, a popular platform for launching your dropshipping business. But the big question remains, can you actually make money with Spocket? The allure of dropshipping. Dropshipping has become a hot topic for aspiring entrepreneurs. The idea is simple: you list products in your online store, but you don't hold any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order, you forward it to a supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. Sounds pretty sweet, right? No upfront investment in inventory, no dealing with pesky warehouses, and potentially big profits on every sale. Spocket, your dropshipping BFF. Spocket enters the scene as a dropshipping facilitator, connecting you with a network of reliable suppliers, primarily in the US and EU. They boast a user-friendly platform for finding products, managing orders, and automating the fulfillment process. But is Spocket the golden ticket to dropshipping riches? The reality of dropshipping profits. Let's be honest, dropshipping isn't a guaranteed path to easy money. It requires hustle, dedication, and a solid understanding of the e-commerce landscape. Here's a breakdown of the key factors that determine your potential profit with Spocket. Product selection. This is crucial. You need to find hot-selling products with healthy profit margins. Don't just pick random items, research trends, analyze competitor strategies, and identify products with high demand and low competition. Spocket offers a decent selection, but remember, you'll be competing with other Spocket users selling the same stuff. Pricing strategy. You'll be buying products from suppliers at wholesale prices and then marking them up for your online store. Here's where the magic, or the math, depending on how you see it, happens. You need to find the sweet spot, a price point that's attractive to customers but high enough to cover your costs and leave you with a decent profit margin. Remember, factor in Spocket's fees and any additional marketing expenses. Marketing mastery. Building a successful online store is all about attracting customers. You'll need to master the art of marketing, whether it's through social media campaigns, SEO optimization, or pay-per-click advertising. Don't underestimate the power of compelling product descriptions, high-quality images, and exceptional customer service. Spocket offers some basic marketing tools, but you might need to invest in additional resources to stand out from the crowd. The bottom line, can you make money with Spocket? The answer is, it depends. Spocket can be a valuable tool for launching your dropshipping business, but it's not a magic bullet. Here are some realistic scenarios. Slow and steady growth. If you're starting small, with a well-curated selection of products, a solid marketing strategy, and a focus on customer satisfaction, you can gradually build a profitable dropshipping business using Spocket. Be prepared to put in the hard work and don't expect overnight success. Side hustle supplement. Spocket can be a great way to generate some extra income on the side. Focus on a niche market and offer excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Just remember, the time you invest might not translate to a full-time income. The risky roller coaster. Let's face it, some dropshipping ventures fail. Jumping on fleeting trends, neglecting marketing, or offering poor quality products can lead to disappointment. Do your research, understand the risks, and be prepared to adapt and learn from your mistakes. Spocket, a stepping stone, not a destination. Spocket can be a helpful platform for getting your feet wet in the world of dropshipping. However, remember, long-term success relies on your ability to build a strong brand, source unique products, and become a marketing whiz. As your business grows, you might eventually want to explore sourcing products directly from suppliers, cutting out the middleman and potentially increasing your profit margins. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.